This 2018 Forest River Cedar Creek 38 FLX is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 6, external shower, air conditioning, slide-out, TV, skylight, water heater, refrigerator, oven, spare tire kit, microwave, and 69 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Cedar Creek 38 FLX is 14,779 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.